Hello and welcome to Technology Live YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. I gave you some assignment previously. Now I'm gonna solve those one by one. So first I'm gonna solve assignment 1, light on off with two push buttons using Arduino. Let's build the circuit. To build this circuit, we need an Arduino board, a breadboard, two push buttons, one LED, three resistors and some wires. So let's see.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So this is our circuit. I think you all know how breadboard ports are sorted. These ports are sorted horizontally and these ports are sorted vertically. Okay. Now here in push buttons there are two types of terminals. One is terminal 1, terminal 1A and 1B, and here terminal 2A and 2B. Terminal 1A and 1B is connected when the switch is off, and uh, the same case with terminal 2. Now what happened is that both resistors are connected to the ground because this terminal is connected to the ground. So we know terminal 2A of both switches are sorted. So now in open condition D3 and D8 those are also grounded. So this terminal are getting 0 volt. Now one more thing we can see here that this terminal is connected with 5 volt power supply. So the terminal 1A of both switches are connected to 5 volt power supply. When I will push the switch, this switch suppose, then 5 volt power supply will go to pin D13, and same thing is happen with this switch. So what will be our code? If we get 0 in input either D13 or either in D8, then our LED should be off, and when we get 1 in or 5 volt in D13 or D8, then our LED should be on. So that will be our logic. Let's write the code.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So this is our code. I take two variables here, a and b, and I initialize that both are 0. Now here I initialize some pins like pin 13 as input, pin 8 as input, and pin 3. Here it is pin 3 as output. Here in void loop we have taken value of pin 13 in A and value of pin 8 in B. Here we just apply our condition that either switch 1 or switch 2 is pressed. That means if A equals to 1 or B equals to, that means this equals to 1 and or this equals to 1, then we get our output as high. That means LED turned on, otherwise LED turned off. Let's check it. I'm starting this. Yes, switch 1 is working, switch 2 is working as usual. Okay, now we can see that this project is successful. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.